Very good morning, children. Most welcome in this oral mathematics class. Here you will clarify your concept pictorially. Topic is multiplication. Real life maths. Millie invites her 4 friends to her house. Her mother makes tomato sandwiches for them. She has to make 2 sandwiches for each 4 friends and Millie. How many sandwiches will she prepare? You can see in first plate it is 2, second plate it is 2, third plate it is 2, fourth plate is also of 2, and fifth plate is also of 2. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. 2 is added 5 times, so we write it as 2 into 5 is equal to 10 and is read as 2 5 are 10. Multiplication is repeated addition. Peter has 6 tricycles on his shop to sell. He has to fit 3 wheels to each tricycle. Let us see how many wheels he needs. First tricycle it is, so it is of 3 wheels. Second tricycle is also of 3 wheels. Third tricycle is also of 3 wheels. Fourth tricycle is also of 3 wheels. Fifth tricycle is also of 3 wheels, and sixth tricycle is also of 3 wheels. Each tricycle has 3 wheels. Total number of wheels is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 6 are 18. Actually result is 18, so 3 is added 6 times and we write it as 3 into 6 is equal to 18 and is read as 3 6 are 18. Further, we try to understand this concept with the help of figure. Here are 7 key rings. Each has 4 keys. The first key ring is of 4 keys. You can count first, second, third and fourth. Similarly, second ring is also of 4 keys, first, second, third and fourth. Again, third ring is also of 4 keys, 1 2 3 4. Fourth is also of 4 keys, 1 2 3 4. Fifth ring is also of 4 keys, 1 2 3 4. Sixth is also of 4 keys, 1 2 3 4. Seventh is also of 4 keys, that is 1 2 3 and 4. So total number of keys in these 7 rings are 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 28. That is 4 is added 7 times. We write it as 4 into 7 is equal to 28 and is read as 4 7 are 28. In this way, we concluded that multiplication is the shortest form of addition, and multiplication is basically a repeated addition. Now we will learn more about multiplication through the mode of skill drill. Count the things and fill in the blanks. You can count 1 2 3 4. First group is of 4 flowers. No, you can see 2. It is a group of 2 flowers. 1 2, one group. Second group 1 2. Third group 1 2. Fourth group 1 2. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. You can count it vertically also. It is in this vertically it is 2, it is 2. This is group is also of 2, and this last group is also of 2 flowers. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. You can write here 8. You can write here pencil. With the help of pencil you can write here 8. And in terms of multiplication you can write 2 into 4 is equal to 8, and is read as 2 4 ja 8. Similarly, we will learn more about this sort of concept. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 3 balls are there in 4 rows, so it can be added as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. And in terms of multiplication it is written as 3 into 4 is equal to 12, and is read as 3 4 is 12. In this way we can learn more about this concept with the help of pictorial examples. Here in first group we have 3 glass, in second group we have 3 glass, and third group is also of 3 glass. So it can be written in the terms of addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9, and in terms of multiplication it can be expressed as 3 into 3 is equal to 9, and is read as 3 3 is 9. Similarly, we can learn more about this concept with the help of another pictorial representation. First group is of 4 glass, second group is of 4 cups. These are 4 cups, these are 4 cups, 4 cups, 4 cups, 4 cups. That means in 5 rows there are 4 cups. So it can be arranged as 4. In terms of addition it can be added as 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 20. And in shortest form it can be expressed in multiplication form, that is 4 into 5 is equal to 20, and is read as 4 5 is 20. So we come to the conclusion that multiplication is basically repeated addition, and multiplication is the shortest form of addition. So in order to save time we can express such calculation in terms of multiplication. This is sufficient for this chapter. We will learn more about this concept with the help of examples. Here in this group you can see 4 apples are here in first group, in second group there are 4 apples, and in third group there are 4 apples. We can add it. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12, and in terms of multiplication it can be expressed as or denoted as 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and is read as 4 3 is 12. In second example you can see first group contains 4, second group contains 4, third group contains 4, and fifth group contains 4 such objects. So it can be added as 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16, and in case of multiplication it can be expressed as 4 into 4 is equal to 16, and is read as 4 4 is 16. To clarify this concept you can solve write multiplication fact for each repeated addition. If this is your homework, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to what? 20, and you can express it is equal to 5 into 4. So it has been solved here, and I am going to instruct you accordingly. So this is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 30, and in terms of multiplication it can be expressed 6 into 5, 6 5 is 30. In third example, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 24, and it can be expressed as 4 into 6 is equal to 24. In this way you have to solve these questions, that is write multiplication fact for each repeated addition, and second question is write repeated addition for each multiplication fact. So by practicing such sort of questions you can get satisfactory result of multiplication as a repeated addition. I think it will help you a lot in solving all the questions belonging to this chapter in your textbook. Thank you very much. See you. All the best for listening and noting it down.